Alright, I don't know what to quite say, but I just got catcalled. Man, like, can you like see my facial expression? Like, I just got catcalled. Like, what the hell? Like, dude, like, you know what the last time is? Like, oh man, it's so loud here. What's up? You getting catcalled? What's up? Like, it's not the first time I got catcalled, but like, you know, I was just walking, you know, and I'm wearing this beautiful shirt, and there's this Vietnamese woman across the street. She has this spa, and she just goes like, handsome man.